our fights. Mama's eyes on the doorway, like she might run tonight. Oh, cold classroom, hand-me-downs, cracked shoes. They laughed at my accent, so I learned how to lose. I was stuck in that small town, same block, same view, writing lines on the margins just to feel something new. This is my path, even if it hurts me, walking through the past like it still owns me. Tears on the page turned into my map. If I fall apart, I'm still on my path. Friends turned to strangers, over pride, over bread. They chose quick favors, I chose this instead. Long nights, voice shaking, talking truth to the wall. Every verse felt crooked till I trusted